I think there is probably a bug in boot code script. So this is my demo. Maybe you should look at this first sidebar. This is the code for sidebar, and this is a component. So I'm going to edit this line to let's say 50, and I didn't do anything. It's just reloaded. Yeah. So this time the component changes are actually sidebar and container. So actually there are 3 files changed. This is 3. Yeah. And you see it works. It always works on top command. But yeah, here I'm going to demonstrate the problem. So here's a component called container is containing sidebar, and sidebar depends on group line. And the group line is here, and I'm going to add edit group line. Actually, I'm going to maybe so 30. See. So nothing happened. Yeah, the changed files are group line, container, call. No setup. I thought setup would be changed since group line is dependent of it, but it seems not. So I'm going to click. So click will somehow change the props of this sidebar, and it will be forced to render. So as it's forced to render, yeah, just the color changed. Yeah. So what I did in my code, I'm going to find the code. Yeah, it's here, or maybe we want to see close the code, and I'm going to expand. Yeah, during expand. As I expand the component, I will get an odd element. So I could add an odd element. I'm going to check if there is an odd element, if the state is identical, if the props is identical, and and this one. And this one render. The render function of markup and the render function of the odd element. So this render is a reference. It's a reference to like why it keep covering. So this function is a render function of this. So it's a reference. It's a reference to a function. So if the file is not changed, it will be the same. But as I change file here, bug of. If I change file here, it will reload, and the reference should be changed. So here's the problem that caused the render bug. So which means my hot swapping doesn't work anymore on such kind of component. Yeah, one more time. And if I add it here, so this area is caged and it's reusing all the component, and it's not done updating. And as I click here, it updates. So it's a bug. I think it's a bug in boot CRJS, and I probably as it fixed, and my code is working again. Thanks.